How to organize thread posts into categories. So the only way to do that is to post something like organization chart. Organization, post right here, and then post it. Now, once you have posted it, next thing you need to do is to just pin it to your profile. Let's pin it. And once it's been pinned, you can head over and then reply to it. So for example, let's put in your feelings post. And then once you have replied to that, you can head over and then just find some things that will attach. So for example, we have here this feelings post that we have just made earlier. Just click on the three dots. And then from in there, just head over and then go and share this profile or share this post. To do that, click on the share icon. Click on this link right here. And then once you have copied the link, head over to organization post and then reply it under the feelings post. And that way, this post will appear under this particular category. To do that again, you can head over and then add some more, like for example, photos right here. And then you can add another post in order to link for this. For example, this one, let's click on the share icon and copy the link. And then let's add it right here into our organization post. So in that way, they will have their specific parts onto our profile. So that's how you organize thread posts into categories. Hope we help.